For generations, the wool is carefully selected and prepared. It is this meticulous attention to detail.
This lot here is exceptional. Look at the crimp.
Yes, the luster is perfect for the merino blend.
We look for that delicate balance of strength and softness. When released, it should spring right back.
Here in the workshop, we meticulously separate the fibers, preparing them for the next stage of processing.
To prepare the wool, we first wash it thoroughly in warm, soapy water. This removes the lanolin and...
After a thorough wash, we carefully compress the fibers, removing the water while preserving the delicate structure of the wool.
After a thorough cleaning, the wool is carefully spread across our sustainable pine racks, allowing the fresh air to complete the process.
The rhythmic brushing motion separates and straightens the fibers, preparing them to be rolled into what we call a rollag.
At this magnification, the intricate structure of the wool fiber is revealed in stunning 8K detail.
This technique ensures the fibers are perfectly aligned before spinning.
That makes the drafting so much easier.
The tradition of spinning wool by hand has been passed down for generations, transforming raw fiber into strong, beautiful yarn.
The secret is in the tension, pulling the fibers just enough before the twist takes hold.
From the raw linen to the finished wool, every spool represents hours of dedicated craftsmanship and skill. By applying firm, even pressure, the wool fibers bind together, forming the core of the doll.
As we apply pressure, the natural crimp of the fibers begins to interlock, creating a much denser, more resilient form.
We meticulously prepare each core, ensuring the wool is perfectly aligned before the felting begins. We use traditional barbed needles to repeatedly poke the wool core, firming the structure and smoothing the surface of the doll.
Through the extreme close-up, we see the barbed needles compressing the wool, interlocking the fibers into a strong, cohesive structure.
The key is patience and precision. We gently shape the contours, defining the cheeks and the subtle curve of the brow.
To define the nose and eye sockets, we use precise needlework, creating subtle shadows and smoothing the fiber transitions.
The process begins with understanding the structure of the face. Each expression tells a unique story, waiting to be fully realized in the clay.
We extract the crimson from the madder root, applying it slowly to the wool fibers to ensure deep...
As the indigo makes contact, the capillary action begins, drawing the color deep into the fibers and creating these beautiful gradients.
The gentle airflow and natural sunlight are crucial for drying the fibers, ensuring the colors remain vibrant.
The key is consistency. We align each strand perfectly on the measuring board, making sure the length is exact before we secure the bundle. Notice how the wide teeth of the comb gently separate the strands, smoothing the wool to this beautiful, uniform texture. We take great pride in the preparation of these wool bundles, ensuring every strand is perfect for your attachment needs.
The key to a realistic hairline lies in the precision of these initial stitches, ensuring each strand is perfectly anchored.
Here we see the culmination of weeks of meticulous work, each head a testament to traditional craftsmanship. Now for the pupil. A few precise stitches right in the center will bring the doll to life.
Notice how the silk thread catches the light, contrasting sharply with the matte texture of the wool fibers.
It's at this stage that the dolls truly come to life. Once the eyes and mouth are complete, they are ready for assembly and clothing. The key to precision is following the chalk line exactly, ensuring the silk doesn't shift. From the precise lines of the pattern paper to the rich textures of the wool and cotton, every detail matters in creating something truly unique. Organization is key to a smooth workflow. We sort every piece by type and size before we begin sewing. For these tiny garments, every stitch must be deliberate. The thimble provides the control needed to keep the tension just right.
Achieving a flawless seam requires careful alignment and consistent pressure.
As we dolly across the collection, notice the rich textures and vibrant colors of the finished pieces. Once the jacket is on, we gently adjust the seams. See how the light catches the gold thread as we secure the final closure.
To ensure the perfect fit, we use micro stitches along the seam line, pulling the thread taut gently.
We take pride in every stitch. It's the finishing touches, the unique colors and styles that make each doll special.
To achieve the perfect finish, we carefully trim the excess wool, smoothing the silhouette and refining the details of the doll.
Refining the face requires patience and the right tools. See how the fine needles shape the curves, ensuring a soft and lifelike contour.
The final inspection ensures every stitch is perfect, reflecting the care put into these dolls.
We ensure every doll meets our standards. The firmness must be consistent and the seams perfectly straight.
By gently pressing and gliding across the surface, we ensure the felting density is perfectly consistent, maintaining that soft, flawless finish.
The approved dolls are now being placed into the wooden trays lined with soft cloth, preparing them for cleaning and labeling.
Using the traditional bamboo brush, we gently sweep away the dust, always mindful of the delicate embroidery.
As you can see, the brush aligns the fibers, revealing that beautiful sheen.
Each doll represents hours of meticulous work. We place them here in the finishing area before they move to the packaging stage.
Every stitch must be perfect, ensuring the label holds for generations. It is this dedication to detail that defines our craft.
Notice the density of the thread count here. This macro view reveals the strength of the fabric's warp and weft.
Ensuring every detail is perfect, these handcrafted dolls are now ready to be safely sealed and shipped worldwide.
Meticulously folded and stamped by hand, each box is then carefully wrapped in vibrant tissue. We finish the process with
Every fold holds a memory, preparing the doll for its new journey.
Here, tradition meets precision. For centuries, these halls have safeguarded the treasures of the past.
With handwritten labels checked and ropes tightly secured, these wooden carts are ready for the journey ahead.
Preserving the human touch. This is where heritage craftsmanship comes to life.